The narrow entryway, shoe cabinets must be installed like this. Entry pass is only 20 centimeters. The previous half-wall shoe cabinet cannot put a lot of shoes, not only a waste of space. The countertop is also messy. Often where shoes are piled up in the doorway, squatting every day to change the shoes is too aggravating. The shoe cabinet protrudes out of us. How about this? 1. The door side of the first 20 centimeters for the thin cabinet. The bottom of the diagonal design, put in frequently worn shoes. The top of the spotlight focus on lighting into the door handbags can also be put at hand. 2. The right side of the shoe cabinet to the top. The top of the daily sundries. The following is a rotating shoe rack. Both sides can be stored. Shoes put more than not afraid. Close the cabinet door, does not enter the gray. 3. The middle do beveled cabinet connection. Solve the problem of inconsistent thickness. Mounted cabinet door more beautiful. 4. Leave 18 centimeters empty at the bottom to store frequently worn shoes. 5. Shorten the TV cabinet. Add a set of thin side cabinets. Put some greenery more refreshing, and then remove the bottom of the bottom plate. Remember to leave sockets in advance. Embedded sweeping robots. Remember to shorten the cabinet door by 15 centimeters. Easy to sweep the robot in and out. 6. The door side of the installation of hooks. Winter good hanging scarves and coats with folding shoe stool. Home to change shoes without bending over. Follow me for more decorating collections.